Guys, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rachel. I have the channel Xoxo Rachel, which is what you're here with. I do breastfeeding videos, declutter, KonMari methods. I do clean with me's, bathroom, deep clean, stuff like that. If you guys like anything that I mentioned and you're interested in it, make sure you don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up if this is what you like. I'm going to be coming out with more breastfeeding videos. I posted one and I got 900 views on it, and I didn't realize that I realized that breastfeeding was a big thing, but I didn't realize it was such a big thing that people were actually looking for that all the time. And as a breastfeeding mother, as of 2 years, I have one little girl. She just turned 2 on Wednesday, the July 31st, and I've been nursing her strictly for 2 years. We haven't stopped. She was strictly breastfed, like exclusively breastfed, for the first 9 months of life, 9 to 10 months. And then even now, today, I make enough milk that if I didn't feed her actual food, that I would be able to produce enough that anyway, today's video is going to consist of some organizing and some decluttering of my extra cupboard. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like real quick. Okay, so this is what this cupboard looks like. A big mess. We weren't using this cupboard. This is our corner cupboard. But we just needed one extra cupboard for food. You can see that we have our tuna fish here in the corner. This is actually what we're doing tonight. And I haven't put a label on it yet because I have to go to the store to get some. But I just have a mason jar full of dinosaur egg oatmeal. Little packages look like this. I just don't like how it's decluttered or cluttered if it's just sitting in there. But I have 4 packages that are left, so I told Colt he had to eat those first. We have a bunch of cereal. We have some extra cookies up at the top. So yeah, this is what we're going to take care of today. And then I also have these little blue bins, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use in them yet. I wanted to use them in Novelle's room, but we actually already have bins in her drawers in certain areas. So what to do with these? But any of you guys are interested, let's get straight into this video. Hopefully you guys can see me okay. Got to angle here a little bit. Okay, so, and I'm very sorry if I start to like mumble and nothing comes out. My teeth are very sore. I went to see the dentist today. I got a good report from the dentist. The only issue is my front teeth, because I have crowding, and I've mentioned this in one of my previous videos, my insurance won't cover me to get braces or Invisalign, and my teeth have been like this since I was in grade school. I was in about 7th or 8th grade when I was first diagnosed to possibly get braces, and they won't cover it, so it's going to be $8,000 out of pocket. Invisalign's not any better. Smile Direct, no. People, they have a lawsuit against them, so we're not even going to talk about that. But my front teeth have been like clipping inward. Like, it's a weird feeling that if I push them in the back with my tongue, they push forward. So they had to like figure something out today to help them. And like I'm drooling just talking, like it hurts so bad. And then because of that, they kept going in for the cleaning. They had to go in and get like the plaque and stuff off like normal, and it was hurting even worse because my teeth kept clipping in and they kept having to pull them out, so they ripped pieces of my gum off. So hopefully that heals up soon. So it hurts, but anyway. So I do have some jars, which I'll grab in just a second. We have some flaxseed that's floating around. I use this for my smoothies and stuff. I used to use this when I was running low on breast milk. I still have it because, I mean, I didn't throw it away, and it's in a sealable pouch, but we're going to put these in one of those mason jars. We also have this bigger, bulky, like, bin. We could use this possibly, for something else. I'm not sure what. If we had, like, bath bombs, that would probably be amazing for this. But we don't. So we'll figure something out. I might just toss it. I'm not sure. More than likely I'll toss it after it sips up. But it's just the popcorn poppers. So we have another mason jar for this. So I'll go grab those and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we're back, we are going to, well, firstly, we're going to move all this stuff out of the way. Seriously, guys, comment down below what to do with these bins, because I'm possibly thinking about making just a little area in the fridge. If you guys know from my grocery haul, Novelle's little snack drawer, maybe possibly. There's 3 of them here, 3 blue ones. So keep in mind. Anyway, we're going to start the first things first. We're going to take off the lids. I'm going to get labels tomorrow. I should have gotten them already, but I didn't. I'm just going to get the chalkboard labels. We're going to cup our hand around, and we're just going to try to fill them up. 2 left. That was perfect, like literally perfect. I didn't even know, I thought I was gonna run over, but now we have our popcorn kernels. I don't know, I was gonna try to say the whole name. Rachel, what are you doing? Okay, anyway. This is not gonna be so easy. And I don't have anything to like pour with this. So what are we going to do? We're gonna try our best. But it just looks like this. And we had to switch angles because my phone was dying, so it's on the charger right now. Anyway, wish me luck. Okay, we didn't make a huge mess. We still have some, like a little bit left over, but we're just gonna toss this. There's not a lot in there. So we're just gonna wipe this onto the ground for now. That's the lazy way of cleaning, so don't follow my example, but right now I don't have anything to pick it up, so. So while I have you guys, we're just going to test this theory and see what it's going to look like. Because it's really smitten my mitten, if you know what I mean. Okay. So, and didn't the jars look so pretty? The painted white ones that have all my spatulas and stuff on the back, I got those as a wedding present. Well, Colt and I both got them. It's very rustic. I love it. I'm obsessed. I don't even... our Aunt Kathy made them for us. It's on Colt's side of the family. They're just gorgeous. So, and we got some oven mitts also, or not oven mitts, they're like hangers on my oven too. You guys might have seen those in previous videos. But we're going to come out in what we got for our wedding video soon. So I'm not going to show you guys everything. Anyway, so we're just going to take everything out. We have applesauces, to go-gurts, the cheese, little applesauce, cups. We have some things that I don't think Novella even wants in here. We've been experimenting because I don't want Novella just having the green to-go packets anymore. So we tried these in one of my previous videos and you could see through the back. She hated them. I tasted one actually and it was disgusting. It was bleh. And then also too, we've started couponing. We got these for literally 25 cents. We got a 4-pack and they're originally they're $3.50. We got a 4-pack for 25 cents. Awesome. Couponers. Woo, go. I'm new, so I don't know everything, but these two, she didn't really like these very much, probably because they're peach and she hates peaches, but I figured I'd give it a go. And we just have some of the beech nut. Anyway, stop talking, Rachel. We're just going to fit this right in here and see if you guys can see this. And then we are going to, I guess we could put 2 in here, possibly. Oh, we could probably fit 2 in there. It's kind of a tight bundle. But we can try. I think we're going to be able to fit 2 this way. Okay, well, let's try this. They possibly put all the cheese down in here and the go-gurts. I'm not sure how this is going to work. Okay, this is the aftermath. Guys, let me know if you like this, because I'm not sure how I feel about it. I feel like they fit so much better without the little cubby hole, cubby spacers. I'm not even sure after I put it back in if she's going to be able to reach any of these ones. We're going to have to figure it out, and I'll have to let you guys know in the next video if we ended up keeping it or not. We'll test it out. We'll test the theory. But anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. I apologize so dearly as my dishwasher's in the back and I completely forgot about it, so you couldn't hear me. I was kind of muffled. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe if you guys are new to my channel and you guys would like to see more. We're up to 53 subscribers, and every single one of you guys mean the absolute world to me. I'm hoping that in my videos I can change something for someone, whether I can help somebody breastfeed, whether I can help somebody who is possibly a hoarder clean their home and get rid of a few things by decluttering, or if I can just help you get up and do something fun in general. I'm all about that kind of teamwork stuff, and it's just like having a workout buddy, having a cleaning buddy is the same exact thing. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and don't forget to come back. Until then, God bless you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!